Hey everyone, I am Bryce, and today I am going to show you how to create a Mailchimp email template. So make sure to stick around till the very end to completely understand how creating a Mailchimp email template can make your emails look more professional. Start by visiting the main website, Mailchimp.com. Here, click on the sign up option to begin the process. It offers a free plan, so hit sign up for free to get started. Next, enter your email address, username, and password. Once done, click on the sign up button. After that, check your email for verification. Here, click on activate account, and you'll be redirected to the main website. On this page, fill in your information like name, business name, and phone number to continue. Then, add your business address. Next, complete the necessary steps, including clearing the reCAPTCHA and answering a few questions. Continue through the setup process by providing additional information about your business. Once done, enter your details, business website URL, and address. Lastly, select free plan to continue. Now, you are ready to create your email template. On the left side, click on Create, then select Email. Choose the template option. Click on the Get Started button. You will see various layouts categorized by purposes like selling products, making announcements, telling stories, and more. Let us pick a minimal template. Choose the layout that suits your needs. Firstly, add name to create your template. Now, start customizing it for your brand or business. Edit the template by adding your logo, product title, and images. If you don't have a logo, you can create one using a free logo maker or a platform like Canva.com. So, let us open Canva.com and click on the Create a Design button on the homepage. Select the option of logo to continue. You can use free templates from the Canva library to create your logo. Edit the template and add your brand name. Then, click on the Share button to download your logo. Once done, go back to the Mailchimp page. Now here, click on this logo and then click on the Set Logo option. Then, locate the file of your logo, upload your logo, and adjust its size. You can also add product images. Next, customize the text to fit your product details. You can search and download royalty-free images online to use here. Click on the Add button and upload the image that you want to use. Once uploaded, adjust it on your screen. Explore various options to change the background, text, and button. You can also add social links to your email template. Once you are satisfied with the edits, click on Save Template and exit. Your email template is now ready for use. If you wish to take it a step further and create a campaign, click on All Campaigns. Then, Create Campaign. Next, choose the type of campaign you want. Design the email, build a landing page, or create a form. Follow the steps for adding recipients, setting up the form, adding a subject, and designing the email content. Mailchimp offers both a classic and a new builder for email design. Choose the one that suits you. And that's it. You have successfully created an email template in Mailchimp, and then you are ready to engage with your audience, professionally or locally. Now go ahead and explore additional features and get creative with your email marketing campaigns. On that note, that will be it for this video. I hope you guys got some value. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.